Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are doing the 100 nuggets with 2 times spicy sauce, and this was created by Queen Beast. And
oh girl, I know what.
I have my own strategy. I have to still dip it in my sweet and sour sauce, so I'm gonna dip it. This is the 2 times spicy sauce. I have some here. I'm gonna dip it, and I'm gonna dip it in here because there's no rules that says you can't do that. So, and right now my husband has 40 nuggets. I have 40. We have more boxes over here with nuggets in them, but we start 40 to start, okay? Because
So let me throw my sauce all over it. Damn, I ain't going. That's it, right? That's too much?
put some over here too. Yeah, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah, because she didn't have a lot of sauce.
Shit. So I put some on my head.
I'm saying she didn't have a lot of sauce. Like,
All
she
right.
was dipping her sauce.
Where the time at, girl?
Okay, so we're gonna start, guys, okay? Because but this is a timer. We have 10 minutes to complete it, and we're gonna start.
It's going.
And it's going down, 9:59.
Oh shit, I almost dip it in the too hot time again. Huh?
Do it. Dip it again. So I'm gonna dip. And dip. I'm gonna dip. No stutter.
Yeah.
You guys know I eat slow, so I don't care. Oop, hiccups.
Oh, really?
When something's spicy,
I'm eating my joy tired.
I have to rinse. I don't care. I gotta take some of this off. This shit is hot.
But I eating what? You move like it's ketchup.
I know. I've got 2 times spicy sauce and put a lot. I know I'm not gonna eat 100. But Robert Jordan, sauce.
My nugget.
She's 13, and she can eat 20 pieces by herself with fries.
Where we thought we doing this? She said, what? Man, and I'm not here? Alright, one at a time. Mama can eat too.
I told you. So what I do is I just take it and I dip it on one side. Just a lot of sauce. Okay? I'm not putting no more than that. It's like we're torturing ourselves.
Yeah.
But we're hungry, so.
Thank God we could drink.
Okay, let me focus. I chat too much. Sometimes I talk too much, I know.
Why you always put ourselves in this hot sauce thing?
It doesn't even matter that I'm dipping it in sweet and sour sauce.
Don't help.
It doesn't help.
Damn, I'm trying to suck my fingers off too. I forgot this ain't regular food. Seven minutes. God damn it.
I don't know how much I'm gonna eat. I'm just eating.
One at a time. Hot man.
That's the time so far.
Damn, my jaw hurt.
Really?
Hell yeah.
I don't hurt it. See? I'm dipping it.
Sauce right here.
Your dog is in here? That's why we don't hear her crying.
She snuck up in here. A little more. Remember, lady?
You a champ, son.
I know I ain't gonna eat it all.
Well, you
Might as well
champ.
enjoy it at the same time.
I know. Mmm. And these are fresh because we
Yeah.
called.
You want some Sasha?
Sasha can't
Yeah,
get
name is Sasha. But you bunny. Oh, a Yorkie's in here. She's greedy.
I'm gonna bite it. I'm gonna eat it one time.
My jaw hurt. You can do it first, Eddie. Do it.
No one do it.
You can't do it, man. Damn. My nuggets ain't even moving.
Yes, it is.
Mm.
Can I have my water?
Oh, shit, my bad. I'm sorry.
Okay, honey.
Emergency. Fire hydrant. Extinguisher. My bad.
Okay.
I can't do this. My jaw already hurt.
Guys, don't judge me, okay? My nose is running.
It's hot, man.
5 minutes.
Yeah, man, at least got you 20 out of this, son. For real, B. Shit. Are you 20? Are you 20? You're my tired.
My mouth ain't tired, it's just hot. My eyes.
The drinking to make it better.
My eyes like it's watering. I'm going to cry.
I don't know. Woo! Wow. She's creeping now. You dipping hard, son. You a dipper.
I'm dipping.
Give me my time. Put in the front one of them. When I'm eating. Cause I ain't reaching to that back. Your daughter gonna have to eat these. Yeah, this sauce is hot, more hotter. I've been sitting here for a minute.
But
3 minutes. Oh, God damn it. I'm not even start. Yeah, the lapper, lady.
I was starving.
Get more than me. Breathe. 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 Wow.
You keep trying to give me CPR?
Woo-hoo. At this point, we know we messed up.
嗯
Wow.
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
You want sauce? Damn, girl. I thought we were gonna stop with the spicy stuff.
Oh shit, why the fuck I dip it again? No, I'm rubbing some of this off. I don't care. I ripped that shit twice.
My time done. Hurry up, time. Time not done. God damn.
And come after McDonald's gave us extra nuggets when I didn't want extra
Yeah,
nuggets.
they give it extra. When they're supposed to give extra food, they don't give us. They give us extra. I don't know, that's more than in there. In the boxes. McDonald's, you know we were doing this challenge, huh? So you know. They give it extra.
Oh, my nose.
Ah, that's it. Thank God we could drink. Hell no. Time done. Please, hurry up.
1 minute.
1 minute. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 up. Not bad.
You're so hot. Okay, I'm gonna joke. 30 seconds.
That's it. Yum, yum. 17. Hell no.
You got
Done.
whatever's in your mouth.
It's done. I'm done. Woo! Yo,
Time, guys.
your butt got bun, you know? Oh, give my phone, you little shit. Alright, shut up, clock. Alright, be quiet.
How much I ate?
Girl, I don't know. Shit.
4, 6, 8, 10,
Come on, stop beeping, Lord.
2, 6, 8, 9.
Alright, you win. Wow.
I ate 20 freaking one. Thank God our kids got McDonald's nuggets. They'll eat it.
Wow.
Queen Beast.
My nose running now.
Well, I don't know how you did it.
My nose running, son.
But thank you for doing this challenge.
We tried.
Appreciate you. We have tried. Good thing so we never buy 200. Like
1, 2,
200
3.
like you're mad.
For real.
You have money for that?
We ain't big like Queen Beast. Queen Beast gotta give us a loan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 left.
So you ate 27.
Are you 27? That ain't bad. How much you start off with?
40.
That ain't
I gave you
bad.
40, I got 40. And then we still have more nuggets.
God damn. Ooh.
I'm not full, but it's spicy.
I ain't no more.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video. I hope you enjoyed the challenge. Don't ask us to do no more because we're not gonna do it.
We're not do it again. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I know you ain't wanting this one today because it's hot. You ain't like this one today. But we appreciate y'all. First lady.
And we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang that's not hot.
That's not hot. Food.
Bye.
Bye.